Greetings, members of SME Talks. Welcome once again to our channel. I'm your host by the name of Nelson, and our topic for this session is focused on negotiation toolbox for your startup business. So let's check the list. Number one, information sharing strategy. What can you share with the outside parties? Number two, company intellectual property, which is checking the following: the company information protection policies. Number three, terms and condition guidelines, which is contract duration and loss. Number four, homework feedback. Pay attention to the background research of the stakeholders. Number five, negotiation style alignment. Use the character negotiation styles. Number six, pitching strategies. Find relevant method which suit the deal of negotiation, such as face-to-face or visual negotiations. Number seven, meeting setup structures. Double check the venue of the meeting and the time slot. Number eight, select your own 5 negotiation rules using 5 checking questions such as this. Number one, what should I do with my body language? Number two, how can I evaluate my advantage? Number three, which strength should I express? Number four, why am I negotiating? Number five, when can I follow up or close the deal? Number nine, master your math approach, checking the following: what is your offer price? What is your no number? Number 10, learn body language techniques using the following: get professional training, learn from your mentors and experts. Thank you very much for tuning in, and please do subscribe to our channel.